SBI Clerk Prelim paper number 3. Now in this first question number 60, 60, 70. Now Japan is the first priority or the second priority, and definitely under the first priority because it comes under parallel rows, and that too only 10% were there, and 5% in row 1 and 5% in the other row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5% are there in another row, and row 1 A, B, C, D, and E they are facing towards north. And in row 2, and what is row 2 here? P, Q, R, S, and T they are facing towards south. Then B is seated out to the right of E. As B is seated out to the right of E, C is here. B is seated out to the right of E, this is one such a possibility. Then what is the next possibility we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 people are there. If E is here, B is seated out to the right of E. The one who is facing B is second to the left of R. The one who is facing B is seated second to the left of R. B ki opposite ఎవరైతే ఉన్నారో R ki second left. And next one, there are two persons in between P and S. S is not facing B. Now there are two persons between P and S is not facing. That means S is here and two persons between P and S. ఒకటే కదా possibility. Then next one, and two people between P and S, and at the same time PRS and PRS can be here. Two people between PR and S are ఇక్కడ P ఉంటే ఇక్కడ S కూడా ఉండదు, అవునా కదా? And so have three possibilities in this case. And the one who sits second to the right of Q and seated second to the right of Q is facing the immediate neighbor of P. Immediate neighbor of P does not sit at any one of them experiments. P is not here. And if P is not here, now in this case, where should this P be? But P ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? P ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు, ఇక్కడైనా ఉండొచ్చు. టూ పాజిబుల్, అవునా కదా? ఇక్కడ పిఆర్ఎస్ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ పిఆర్ఎస్ అప్పుడు టీ ఇక్కడ లేదు. పిఆర్ఎస్ ఈ రెండు ప్లేసులు అంటే దెన్ టీ విల్ బి హియర్. ఓకే, దెన్ second to the right of Q. Finally, Q is here. The one who is facing, who sits second to the right of Q, is facing the immediate neighbor of C, and C must be here. The one who is seated second to the right of Q is C, and that person, the one who is facing P, is an immediate neighbor of C. And T is not at an extreme. A is facing either P or Q, and A must be here. If A is here, B is here. And A is facing either P or Q and says left side of B. A is to left side of B or right side of B? Right side of B. And so this case is completely ruled out. Then now we have left with the next case. Now in this one, P and S. Now if P and S were like this, then T cannot be at the extreme end. T must be here. If T is here, Q is here. The one who is seated second to the right of Q is adjacent to C. Is adjacent to C. Then A is facing either P or Q. A is facing either P or Q, and C is here, A is here, D will be here. Then coming to this P and S. P and S guరించి information ఏమని చెప్పండి? Two persons between S who is not facing B. As S is not facing B here, and B sits out to the right of E. The one who is facing B now sits second to the right of and sits second to the left of R. And next one, two persons are in between P and S. And S who is not facing B. S is not facing B. And the one who sits second to the right of Q is facing the immediate neighbor of C. C does not sit at anyone. A is facing either P or Q. As A is facing either P or Q, now here A is here, and that person must face either P or Q, and she cannot face Q, and she must face P. If P is here, S will be. Now this is the final arrangement we have. And how many persons are sitting between S and the one who is facing E? The one who is facing E is C. Now between S and T there is only one person, choice 3, question number 66. And 4 out of the following means odd one out. R, B, P, Q, A. And P, Q, A, B. And P, Q, A, and B, these persons are at the corner, R is at the center. Choice 1, question number 67. And which are the following pairs which are the extreme end? B and R, they are not at the extreme. Q and D, not extreme. P and B, yes, they are at the extreme. Extreme end, that is choice 3, question number 68. Then 69, which are the following persons which is second to the left of S? My S is second left. Is there any person here? No one. No one, that is choice for 69. Then 70 onwards, it is based on family tree. Now in this family tree, how many persons are there? There are some 8 persons. And M is the sister-in-law of H. And H is the son of F. F is here and H is the son of F. M is the sister-in-law of H. O is the grandmother of K. O is the grandmother of K. And O is the grandmother of K. That means K's father or mother's mother is O. O is the grandmother and E is the nephew of H. Nephew means sibling child. And E is the nephew, E is the name. And F has only 2 children. F is having 2 children, H and H is sibling. L and H are married couple. L, a female, is married to H. L and H are married couple. N is the mother-in-law of L. L, husband's mother. Who is that person? N. N is the mother-in-law. If N is the mother-in-law, F must be a male. Then O is the grandmother of K. K is the daughter of K. Now this is K, who is the daughter of K. Now this O is the grandmother. As of now, N is the grandmother of K. And O is the grandmother of K. And so must be maternal grandmother. As of now, paternal grandmother is already there, N, isn't it? Then K is the daughter. N is the parent of Z. N is the parent of Z. And F and N are married couple, H and G are the people. Then we have one more information. What is that one? M is the sister-in-law of H. That means H is, M is the sister-in-law. That means C and M are married couple, and sister-in-law means M is a female, isn't it? And G is. Then how is H related to O? And now O's daughter's husband. Daughter's husband, son-in-law. Son-in-law twice is 70. 71. How is F related to E? How is this F related to E? E is father's father. Father's father, grandfather, that is twice is 71. Then 72. If R is the son of L. R is the son of L. No, if R is the son of L. Now R is here. Now R is the son of L. Then how is E related to R? E and R are cousins to each other. As E and R are cousins, twice question number 73. Then 73. Now 73, if 2 is added to each odd number and odd digit of a number, and what is the number we have? 72548365. 72548365. Now 2 is added to each odd digit and 1 is added to each even digit, and they are arranged in ascending order. Which are the following with the sum of the second digit from the left and third digit from the right? Now from 7, each odd digit 2 is added. Now odd digit 7 plus 2 is 9, 5 plus 2 is 7. Now this is 5 and this is 7. And 1 is added to even digit. Now this is 3, 5, 9, 7. Then which are the following? Then all these are arranged in ascending order. Then if they were arranged in ascending order 3 and 5, 7, 7, 7 and 9 and 9. Now the question is about second digit from the left hand, that is 5, and third digit from the right hand is 7. 5 plus 7, that is 12, so I see 73. 73 points. Then 74. Now in this 74, now 8 persons were there. They are born in same year in 4 different months and 6 and 15. 4 months and 2 different dates. 4 months and 2 dates comes under the first or the second priority. One definitely under the first step. Now 75 onwards. Now in this 74 onwards it is under the first priority still. Then 8 persons were there and M and OPQR. Now what are the months you have? Jan, and the dates in Jan are 6 and 15. Jan 6 and Jan 15. Jan 6 and Jan 15. And in the same way, what are the other months you have? April. Now April 6 and April 16. Jan, April, June and September. Now June 6 and June, not July, and July 6 and July 15. And next one is September 6 and September 6. Now these are the 4 months and 8 persons, and each month exactly 2 to 4. Then coming to condition number 1. Now first condition. Now September 6 and September 15. and M is born in the month which has even number days, but not on an even number date. Even number dates means April or September, 30 and 30. Then M born the month which has even number date, but not even number date means M was born an odd number date. M can be either on 15th of April or 15th of September. And there are two possibilities, two persons between M and O. M and O, there must be exactly two. O is born before N and O must be on Jan. And next one, number of persons between O and S. O and S is same as S and N. That means S must be exact in between O and N. S is exact between O and N. There are any different possibilities. S can be here or S can be here. And again, there are two possibilities in this case. Now in this case, O and now S can be here, S can be here, or S can be here. Three different possibilities. OS and SN. Then Q is born in the month of January. Now Q born in the month of January. Now Q can be either Jan 6 or Jan 15. And two persons between R and P. Now between R and P there must be exactly two people. And more than two persons between S and R. And between S and R more than two people. More than two people means how many people are there? More than two people. That means 3, 4 and so on. More than 3 people in between who? More than 2 persons in between S and R. And between S and R, more than 2 greater than or equal to 3. And then S and R, where can we keep this S? Can we have S at this place? S is not possible because it must be in between O and N. Now S cannot be here. Can we have S at this place? My S equal to if S is here, now in between O and S there are exactly 3 people. S and N 3 is not possible. And S cannot be here as well, isn't it? And this case is completely easy. Now follow here. O and S is exactly 1 person. Now O and S. Now if you take S at this, now O and S, then S and N is exactly 1 person. And between S and R, more than 3 people. 1, 2, 3. And R can be here or R can be here. And that's the possibility, isn't it? Then S and R and S. N does not born in the month of April. And next one, more than 2 persons born between S as well as R. OS and SN. And next one, more than 2 persons R can be used. And Q and T are born on the same date. Now Q born on 15 and T must be on 15. As T must be on 15, and where can we have this T? Now if you have T at this place, T equal to, then R will be here. And if T is here, more than 2 persons. N does not born in April month. Q and T are born in the same date. Now Q is on 15. Now tell me, is there any information that is invalid? M born which has even number days, but not even number. And 2 persons between M and R. And Q and T are born on the same. Where is this R and T? 2 persons between M and O. O is before. Number of persons O and S. Q is born in the month of Jan. 2 persons between R and P. Now 2 in between R and P. If R is here, 2 in between R and P, not possible. Or if R is here, 2 in between R and P, not possible. And 2 persons between R and P. The next one. And coming back to this one, tell me what is the other possibility we have. But not 2 persons born between M and O. And O is number of persons between O and S equals to S and N. Now if you take S at this place, number of persons between O and S equals to S and N. Now if S is here, then between S and R minimum, how many people? 3 persons. S and R minimum 3 persons, R can be here. Now if R is here, then Q must be here, isn't it? Then R and Q will be used. And in this case, Q and T were born in the same, and T must be here. If T is here between R and T, 2 people is not possible, isn't it? And Q implies that R cannot be here as well. Then what is the other possibility for this R? One next R equivalent. And that is S and then cannot be in this case. As S cannot be here, can we have S at this place? My equivalent is yes. If S is here, then N will be here, S and N. O and S and S and N. Then in between, S, N does not born in the month of April. And that case is also easy. Then what is the next possibility here? Yes, please. Now if S is O and S 1 person, S and then S 1. Then Q will be here. Now Q is between S and R and P. R and P there must be exactly 2 people. And between S and R, more than 3 persons, more than 2, 1, 2, and here it can be R. R is if R is the 2 persons between R and P, not possible, isn't it? And 2 in between R and P not possible here. 2 in between R and P not possible. Then where is this R? R is. If R is the 2 in between R and P, P is. Now P is the, who is the person of course? M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. And T is the person of course. And Q and T were born in the same day. Then how many persons in between Q and T? In between Q and T there must be exactly 3 people. T, that is choice 174. And which of the following is born in the month of July? July either O or T. Either O or T, 1 or 2, choice for question number 76. Then 76, 4 are the following. MSPTQ. M, that is September 15, S, April 6, and P, April 15, and T, July 15, and Q again 15. Except S, the remaining persons were born on 15th, choice 2. Then, which of the following pair is born in the same month? P and T. Were they born in the same month? No. And O and M? O and M? No. S and N? No. And R and M? They were born in the same month, so I scored 76. Then coming to 78. Now in the 78, how many such pairs of letters are there? In the word testimonial, which has as many letters between them, isn't it? Now we need to find out the page here. Now testimonial, testimonial. Then starting with C. Now no letter more than this C, no need to count this one at all. E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. S and T, there is one. And more than this C, there is no letter. And T, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Now M, T, S, there is one more. O, P, Q, R, S, T. And N, O, P, Q, R. O, P, Q, R, and I, J, K. That's it. Left to right, there are only 2. And again in the reverse S, no letter more than this one, no need to count. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. Now L, T, S. M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. And A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. And next one, N, N, O, there is one more. N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. N, T, T, there is one more. And if N, T, T is there, then N and T will also have one more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. More than 5 times. Clear? Now this is about 78 points. Right. Then 79 only. Now 79 there are some 8 boxes, and at the same time, and each box contains number of 5 rupee coins. Those are 8, 12, 15, and 25. Now boxes along with this, a parameter is added, and it must be under the first or the second priority. 79 to 82, second priority. Then 83 onwards. 83 A is 3 meters to the south of. Now B is here, A is here. What is the distance to have? 3 meters. And D, which is 8 meters to the east of. And B is 8 meters to the east of the 8 meters. And E is 3 meters to the east of the. E is 3 meters to the east of the. E is here, the distance is how many meters? 3 meters. And E is 3 meters to the east of D. D is 6 meters to the south of. Now D is somewhere here, the distance is somewhere to 6 meters, 3 meters. And D and E is only just 3 meters. D and E. And G is 7 meters to the east of here. G is 7 to the east of here. F is 9 meters to the north of here. F is 9 meters to the north of here, 3 plus 2, 6 plus 2, 9. And F is here. And if F is here, then G is 7 meters to the east. Now total is 8, out of which we are already covered, and this is 5, and this more 2, 5 plus 2, 7. Now this is. Then if M is middle of C and D, M is the midpoint of C and D. Now C and D, M will be here. Then point A. Then what is the total distance between M and B? Now we need to find out the distance between M as well as. Now what is the distance you have? మరి చెప్పండి ఎంత డిస్టెన్స్ వస్తుంది మనకి? D2 and C2B. Now C2B, how much is it? 7. Yes. Now this is 7 meters. Now if it is 7 meters, out of it, and 3 were already covered, and this should be 4 and this is. అంతే కదా? Then what is the distance here? 3 square plus 4 square. And 3 square plus 4 square is how much? Now M is mid of C and D, then what is the total distance between M and B? My MC became the total distance of the 3 plus 2, 6 plus 4, 10, that is fine. It is asking about the total distance rather than the shortest distance. సరిపోయినా? టోటల్ వాడు ఎక్కడ నుంచి కవర్ చేసింది అంతా కవర్ అవ్వాలి కదా? 3 plus 3 plus 4 total. Then 84, what is the direction of E with respect to C? E with respect to C, in order to reach to E from C, first we need to move towards south and east. South and east to southeast to cause to 85. And 85, what is the shortest distance between A and B? Find between A and B, tell me what is the distance you have, we need to find out distance. To find out this, and a vertical and a side. Now this is 3 and 6. Now 3 plus 3 is how much? 6. And 6 square plus 2 square. And 6 square is how much? And 36 plus 4, 40. Now root over 40, now 3 plus 3 is 6. Now this is how much? 2 square. 3 వస్తుందా? ఇంతకుముందు మనకి 7 ఉండేది కదా? Out of it, this will be how much? This will be 4. And if it is 4, this will be 3. Now if it is 3, then what is the distance you have? The distance between A and B. A to B, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 36 plus 9, 45. Root over 45, 5, 4, 80. Then 86 to 89. Now in this 86 to 89, there are some 9% linear rows, some north and some south. Some north and some south is there. Some north and some south in rows is also only second priority. Okay, 86 to 9. Then 98. And 5 friends were there, A, B, C and D seated around a circular table and facing the center. Now 5 persons are there, they are seated around a circular table facing towards the center. Then who said, then which one sits second to the left of it? A is south to the left of it, B is here, A is south to the left of the A. And D and E are immediate neighbors of each other. D and E are immediate neighbors, D and E will be here. Then who is the person? C will be here. And C is second to the right of it. C is seated second to the right of it, then E will be here. And if E is here, D will be here. Then who sits second to the left of it? C is the answer. Are you getting the answer or not? And 1 alone is sufficient. Then coming to 2 alone, because there is a choice called either one or two. And there are 5 persons, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B sits second to the right of C, C is here, B is here. Both E and E are immediate neighbors of C, E and E and E and E. Then who is the person after here? B is the person. Then who sits second to the left of D? Sits second to the left of the B is that. Are you getting the answer or not? And 1 alone is sufficient, 2 alone is sufficient. Each statement alone is sufficient. Either 1 or 2 alone. What is your answer here? So answer is question number 9. Must understand that? And any doubt in this one? Then come into 91. Now in this 91, in a college there are some 6 different subjects and they were taught on 7 6 different days of the same week. Starting on Monday to Saturday. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Okay? Monday to Saturday. And which day botany was taught. And 2 subjects are taught between chemistry and mathematics. Mathematics and 2 in between chemistry and mathematics. Chemistry and mathematics. And here also mathematics and chemistry. Not 2 in between chemistry and mathematics. Mathematics is taught before zoology. Mathematics is taught before zoology. And chemistry is taught on after when physics is taught. And chemistry is what? Chemistry is after physics. And chemistry is not taught on Saturday. Now with help of this one, now we need to find out the bottom. Chemistry is not on Saturday, and tell me what are the possibilities for this chemistry. My account of chemistry. Can chemistry be on Friday or not? If chemistry is here, there are 2 within chemistry and mathematics. Then physics is before this chemistry, mathematics is before this what? Zoology. And this is only information. With help of this one, are you getting any answer here? మరి ఏమైనా మనకు వచ్చే ఛాన్స్ ఉందా? No, hence 1 alone is not sufficient. Then coming to 2 alone, 2 subjects are scheduled between botany and zoology. Mathematics is taught immediately after physics. Now mathematics is immediately after this physics. This is the other. If mathematics is immediately after physics and mathematics is here, then physics. Then physics is here, chemistry will be somewhere here. Now between chemistry and mathematics. And mathematics is before the zoology. Now there are 2 subjects between botany and zoology. Now botany is here, 1, 2 zoology is here, or botany is here, zoology. And then what is the other thing left over? One more subject will be left over. Then what is the question we have? On which day? Botany. And botany can be either on Wednesday or Sunday, Saturday. There are 2 different possibilities. And by combining these 2 also, we cannot be able to determine choice for 90. Then 92. Now is 92 6 banks. And they are of different weight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 bags are there. Now they are of different weight. Then which is the second heavier? B is heavier than C as well as C. And the weight of C is, and C is how much? C is 28. And E is heavier than only E. E is heavier than only E. Then now we need to find out the second heavier. Which can be the second heavier? Either B or F. No information about F, hence maybe B, maybe F, isn't it? And which is not possible 1 alone. Then 2 alone. Now in this 2 alone, only 3 bags are lighter than C. As there are only 3 bags lighter than C, we must know. And the weight of bag B is 32 kg. B is 32 kg, which is 2 lesser than F. Now B is 32 kg, which is 2 lesser than, and C is how much? And the weight of B is 32 and F is how much? 32. Then we therefore this one. Then which is the second heaviest? B is the second heaviest. Are you getting the answer or not? Only with the help of 2 alone we have got the answer. Now only 3 bags are lighter than C. Then weight of B is 32 kg, which is 2 kg lesser than F. Weight of B. Now this B is greater than C as well as D. అనగా B అనేది C కన్నా D కన్నా ముందు ఉండదు కదా. కనుక ఇక్కడ ఆల్రెడీ C ఉంది కాబట్టి B 1 of the second place. Isn't it? 1 of the second. But if this B is 2 kg lesser than F, hence F must be before B. And what is the second heaviest? B. Second heaviest is second. And only 2 alone is sufficient 92. Then 94 word formation. Then in this 2, 4, 7, 9. Now 2, 4, 7, 9. 2, 4, 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now what are the letters you have? X, E, E, C. Now there are 2 E's that are repeated with the alphabet 4. Is there any chance of forming a word? No. No word can be found by as your answer. And next one 94. How many such numbers are there? Which is immediately followed the consonant and preceded by what? Preceded by symbol. Number followed by consonant and preceded by symbol, and symbol, number and consonant. Symbol, number and consonant. Symbol not followed by number. Symbol not followed by number. Symbol followed but not by consonant. And symbol followed and followed by consonant. And symbol not followed by number. And symbol. And how many are there? There is only one of this type. Means 94, there is only one choice. Then 95, and which are the following element is 7th to the left of 19th from the right. 7th left and 19th left. Left and right means opposite direction. Then we need to add these. And 7 plus 19, 26 from right hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Choice for question number 95. Then 96 to 1, it is based on series. Take out the first element 6, 2, J. And 6 and 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 6. 2 and J, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 7. Plus 6 plus 7, next plus 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What is the element we have? N. N is the first element. As N is the first element, then next A and pound. A की pound की मतलब from A to pound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and pound to percentage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Next one 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. W. N and W. N and W, and we have 4 elements. Yes. Now between S and K, how many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. S and K, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And K and dollar. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next one 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And NW power, that is 0.596. 97. Now there are some 8 persons seated around a square table. Now square table definitely under the first priority here. Now there are some 8 people seated around a square table. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now among these, the persons who are at the corners and sitting at the corners are facing towards the center. These 4 persons are facing the center, and the remaining 4 are adjacent the center. Then first one, D shifts out to the left of G. One person between D and A shifts second to the left of C and does not sit at the corner of the table. A is not at the corner. A must be center. If A is at the center, if you take A at this place, A is center. And A is seated second to the left of C, C must be here. A is not at the center. A shifts second to the left of C, and F shifts second to the left of B, and not immediately either G or. And next one, D shifts out only one person between D and E, and A shifts second to the left of C and does not shift. F is second to the left of B and not immediate to GRA. F is not adjacent to GRA. F cannot be here and F cannot be. As F cannot be in these two places, can we have F here? F is seated second to the left of B, F cannot be here as well. Then second to the right of 1. And F shifts second to the left of what? F shifts second to the left of B. Now if F is at this place, it is a possibility I'm talking about. అందుకే ఇక్కడ F ఉండకూడదు, ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు, ఇక్కడ ఉండకూడదు. ఇంకా మనకి మిగిలింది 3. And if F is here, F shifts second to the left of whom? Second to the left of B, and B must be. Now B is here, then, and F is not immediate to GRA. F is not adjacent to G and A, and where should be G? G must be. అంతే కదా, F is not adjacent to G and A. And F shifts second to the left of B. F is seated second to the left of B and is immediate to, not immediate to either G or A. This is what information. Only one person between D and E. In between D and E, we need to have exactly one person. Isn't it? And D is here, south to the left of D. D is south to the left of D is here, and one person between D and E, E must be. Certain arrangement. Now what is the arrangement? CBD, FEH, AG. Then which of the following persons is out to the left of here? F is out left A, choice 2, question number 97. 98. What are the following in third one out? EHCAD. ECAD. ECAD at the center. H is at the corner. Choice 2, 98. 99. Which one of the following persons sits second to the left? Other one who sits out to the right of. D ki third right of the A. A ki second left. A ki second left E. E choice 4, question number 99. 100. Which of the following statements is true? And H is second to the right of B. H is seated second to the right of B unknown. H is seated second to the right of B, that is false. G sits south to the right of F. G is south to the right of F is again false. B sits opposite to A, that is again false. D sits second to the right of C, and D is seated second to the right of C, definitely it is false. 100, it is false. Now finally we have left with the 2 sets. Now between these 2 sets, tell me what are the sets that are left over? Now ఏమేమి వదిలేసాం? 90. Now here 87 onward. 87, and one more question is 79. 79 to 82. And there are 4 questions. And in this one, 86 to 89, here also there are 4 questions. మరి రెండిట్లో ఫస్ట్ ఏజ్ చేద్దాం. 70, 79. నా ఎగ్జామ్లో మీరు ఏది చేస్తారు? నా 86 చేసుకోవాలి సార్. మీకు చాలా చేసి ఉంటాం మనం. అక్కడ మనకి నెంబర్స్ ఇచ్చారంటే కాంబినేషన్స్ ఇస్తారు. సమ్ ఆఫ్ 2 numbers will be this much and sum of this one will be, and అప్పుడు పాసిబిలిటీస్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోతాయి. దట్ టూ బాక్సెస్. ఓకే, and we need to base on this row arrangement. 9% so there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then not more than 2% facing same direction, sit together. Not more than 2. Maximum we can have only 2% who are facing the same direction sitting together. M sits 4 to the left of Q or not. M is 4 to the left of Q, and M and Q, how many people are there in between? There are exactly 3. And 3% between Q and R. Now 3% between Q and R means if M is here, 1, 2, 3, Q is here, then 3 in between Q and R will. And how many persons are involved here? And 3 plus 3 plus 9. All the 9 persons are involved. Kanaka possibilities em undali. And what are the different possibilities we have? If M is at this place, then Q will be here. If Q is here, R will be here. That is the first point. And the second, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now if M is here, 3 in between M and Q, and 3 in between Q and Q. Then M sits 4 to the left of Q. And in the first case, Q must be facing north. Then only M is 4 to the left. And in the second case, Q must be facing south. And 3 persons between R and Q. P is immediate right of N. Now P is the immediate right of N. N is immediate right hand side of P. P is the immediate right of N. Persons will sit at the extreme and facing the same direction as Q. Now Q is facing north, and these 2 persons are also facing north. Now here Q is south, and these 2 are facing towards south. And O and P are facing opposite direction. O and P. O and P opposite. And P sits 4 to the left of L. Both are not immediate. And P as well as L are not immediate to M or L. Hence P and L cannot be here. P and L cannot be here. Then P sits 4 to the left of L. And P is 4 to the left of L. If P is here, 1, 2, 3, 4, L will be here. Or if L is here, P will be. Because this P and L cannot be adjacent to this M and R. Now here also M and R cannot be here in this one, P, L, R, and in the next case P, L. Then and P sits 4 to the left of L, and both are not immediate. L is facing north direction. If L is facing north, then P sits 4 to the left. L is facing towards north, then P is 4 to the left. Now L is facing north, P is 4 to the left. Here also L is facing north, and P is 4 to the left. Then L is facing north, and P is 4 to the left of N, and N and P are adjacent to each other. N and P are adjacent to each other. P is to the immediate right of N. And N can be in these two cases. N can be in these. Now here also, and N can be in these two. N is to the left of P. N is to the left of P. Here the word left is given but not immediate left. N is to the left of P. And S is second to the left of O. S is seated second to the left of O. O who is immediate to P and N. O is immediate to both these two persons P and N. If O is here, O is adjacent to both the persons P and N. Then S is. S is second to the left of O. S is seated second to the left of O. S is seated second to the left of O. And L is facing north. P sits 4 to the left of L. P is, and both are not immediate to either R or L. L is facing north. N is to the immediate left of P. Now N is to the left of P. N is to the left hand side of K. And next S is taken to the left of O. And O who is immediate to P and N. K is to the right of S. Now K is to the right of Sn. And O is facing opposite to L. O is facing south. Now here also O is facing towards south. And if O is facing towards south, S is taken to the left of O, then S will be here. And S is taken to the left of. Then N sits second, N sits left of K. N is the left hand side of K, then N is the left of K. K sits the right of S. K is the right hand side of S. S must be south. Now here also S is facing south. K is right hand side. And O is facing opposite to N. And immediate neighbors of P are facing the same direction but opposite to P. Immediate neighbors of P are facing the same opposite to Pn. Okay? Then immediate neighbors of P are the facing the same direction. Then what are the possibilities we have? Now here in this case both the persons must be towards the north. North in this not more than 3 persons who are seated adjacent to each other are not together, cannot be together. Hence in this case O and P are opposite. Now O and P are opposite, O is south and P must be facing north. Now here O is south and P must be facing north. Then O and P, what about this? And here N sits, P sits to the immediate right of N. Immediate right hand side of N. Now whoever may be the person seated, that person must be facing towards north. South. In this Japanese, P and Q are already facing towards north direction. We cannot have more than 2 persons. This person is south. Manki evararu meeltaru N okaru K okaru. And K sits right of S. K is to the right hand side of S. O is facing immediate neighbors of P are facing the same direction of P. Immediate neighbors of P are facing the same direction but opposite to P. Immediate neighbors, same direction but opposite to P. Isn't it? Immediate neighbors are facing the same direction but opposite to P. And then who is the person left over? And N is to the immediate right of P sits 4. L is facing north, N sits left of K. N is to the left hand side of K, and N is to the left of K. Is it possible here? N is to the left of K, K is here. And N is to the left of K, not possible. Or if K is here, N is to the left of K, N is. N is to the left hand side of K. Then any information that is invalid here, N and P, whatever this P, and P sits to the immediate right of N. But it's here, P is to the immediate right of N is done. Now M sits 4 to the left of Q, M is 4, and 3 persons between R and Q, and P is to the immediate right of N, P is to the immediate right of N, persons with the extreme facing the same direction, opposite, and facing the same direction as Q. And next one, O and P are facing the same direction. O and P opposite. And next, P is 4 to the left of L, 1, 2, 3, 4. P is 4 to the left of L, but both are not immediately M or R. P is not adjacent to either M or R. L is facing towards the north direction. N is to the left of K. N is to the left hand side of K. The next one. And S is second to the left of O. And O who is immediate to Q and L. O is immediate to Q and L. And K is to the right side of S. K is to the right hand side of S. K is to the right hand side of S, that is also valid. And O is facing opposite to L. They are opposite. And immediate neighbors of P are facing same. Immediate neighbors of P are same but opposite to P. Opposite to P, P is facing towards north and these two persons are south. And for the arrangement we have NKP and Q. Any information that is invalid in this case? Then how many persons are between S and the one who is seated second to the left of K? Ma K ki second left evaru N. And between N and S. N and S, how many people? There are exactly 3 choice for question number 86. No? And K is to the right hand side of S. Now K is to the right side of S. Now S is pointing towards which direction? South. Now K is to the right hand side of S. The word immediate is not given. Okay. Then how many persons in between S and who is to the immediate left, second to the left of K? Second to the left of K and between N and S, 3 people, choice for 86. Then 87. Which of the following persons is the third to the left of O? O ki third left R. R choice to 87. 88. 4 out of the following M and L. M and L, how many people are there? 5 people. Q and R. Q and R, there are 3 people. O and R, there are 2 people. R and P, 3, 4, 5, 5 people. L and P. L and P, how many? There are 3. Now out of it, what is the odd one we have? 5, 3, 2, 5, 3. Yes, how much apple? 0.3. Except O and R. And the remaining number of portions in between is odd, it is even. Of course, odd number of portions were there, even number. And 89. Now this 89, which are the following is extreme n. M and R choice for question number 8. The next one is and 79 to 82. Now in 79 to 82, it is based on boxes and the number of points were given. Whatever points you have, 8, 12, 15, 17, 20, 21, 23 and 24. Then 3 boxes between R and the box contain 20. R equal to 1, 2, 3. Now this is 10. Between R and 10. If R is here, 1, 2, 3. Now this is 10. Between R and the box which is having 20, there are exactly 3. And 2 boxes between Q and U. Now in between Q and U, how many are there? Exactly 2. And the total sum of the rupees with them is 175. 175 is the total sum. Now each rupee is of 5 rupee coin and 175 divided by 5. And so Q and U must be 35. Now Q and U 35 along the 2015 or 17 and 2015 1 positive. Inken unda? 35 hour. 8 and 27 less. 12 plus 23. As 12 plus 23 is 1 possibility. And 15 and 20. 15 and 20 is the second possibility for 35. And 17, 18. And 20, 15, that's it. 21 and 14 layer. And 27. These are the 2 different possibilities we have for this Q and U. And even number of points. And 2 boxes are between Q and U and the total sum is 175. 2 boxes are between P and 15. Now in between P and the box that is contains 15, there are exactly how many boxes? 2 boxes. Now between P and 15, there are exactly 2 boxes. And V contains the prime number of points. Now V contains prime number of points. V can be 17 or 23. And how many possibilities to have? 2 points. V 17 or 23. S contains 12. Now S is what? S is 12. Now S contains 12, which is immediately above to the box that contains even number of points. And even number of points in that. 12 already 18. And here it must be 20. Or 8. And they get the 2 possibilities, even number. 20 or 8. Which is immediately above to the box that contains even and above to the box that contains 15. And above, S contains 12 points, which is immediately above to the box even number of points, and above to the box contains 15, and above to the box contains 15, and 15 and 15 is here, and after this 8 and this will be 12. My immediate about and 3 boxes between S and V. Now in between S and V we need to have exactly 3 boxes. Now 3 in between S and V. S and V. V is below to S. Now V is below to S, if S is here. There are 3 boxes between S and V. V is below to S. And V is immediate to box C, which is immediately below to O. And V is immediate to box C. And V is immediate to box C. And C, which is immediately below to U. And V, which is below to S. 3 boxes between, and W is immediately below. Now how many boxes are there in between? 3 boxes between S and V. And V is below S. W is immediately below U. W is immediately below U. Now W is immediately below U and contains either W contains either 21 or 17. W. V is immediate to T. V is immediate to T. T, which is immediately below to T. And T is immediate to V. V is immediately below T. Yes, blank Q, T and V. Then Difference between P and T is T. Difference between the coins of P and T is T. P and T. P and T, the difference is how much T. You want to possibilities you can have, and 15, 17, isn't it? 23, 24. And 15, 17, and 15, 17. And P and T cannot be 15, 17. Why? Because, and V is either 17 or 23. 17 hours to 23 hours. And box T has more coins than T. Now T is having more coins than T. Now this is what the information given. Then tell me from where we need to start. Among S of the next one is blank. Next Q, T, V are adjacent. Then U and W are adjacent to each other. And U and W adjacent to each other. Now between P and what is this information we have? And two boxes are in between P and 15. Now between P and 15 there must be exactly two boxes. And P and T, now P and two boxes between P and 15. And P and T, any information between P and T? Now 3 in between R and 20 coins. R and 20 మనకు already వచ్చింది. R and 20 వచ్చిందంటే ఇంకా మనకి నెక్స్ట్ పాసిబిలిటీ ఎలా ఉండాలి? And V, S is 12 which is above this 20 and 8. S is 12 and which is above 20 as well as 8. అవునా కదా? And again 15. Now 15 కూడా ఉండాలి. 15 and next one 20 or 8 and next one will be 12. Then next the sum is 35 hours. 35 sum ఎక్కడ ఎవరికి వస్తుంది చెప్పండి? Sum is 35. Now V and Q and U. And Q and U must be 35. 35, these are the different possibilities for this Q and U. Q and U, there are exactly two boxes and at the same time 35. Now Q already ఇక్కడ ఉంది. అవునా కదా? Q already ఇక్కడ ఉంది కాబట్టి నెక్స్ట్ ఏం తీసుకురావాలి? U తీసుకురావాలి. U ఎక్కడికి రావాలి? Now ఇక్కడ ఉండొచ్చా U? ఇక్కడ. If U is here, W is immediately below U, that is not possible. Follow here or not? Hence U cannot get that. As U cannot be here, then where should this U? U must be below this one U. U ఇక్కడ ఉంటే ఇక్కడ ఎవరు ఉండాలి చెప్పండి? W ఉండాలి. సరిపోయిందా లేదా? Then how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. మనకి ఇచ్చిన బాక్సెస్ ఎన్ని చెప్పండి? 8 బాక్స్. కనుక స్టార్టింగ్ ఏమి ఉండాలి? U. And what is the box left over here? US. మా బాక్స్ మిస్ అయిన బాక్స్ ఏంటి కావాలి? మా ఇక్కడ U ఉండకూడదు. U ఉండకూడదు కాబట్టి ఏమి ఉండాలి? P, S, slash and so on. Now we are left with the remaining. And R can be either here or here. మా R ఎక్కడ ఉండాలి? Either first or the third place. And R cannot get this. Follow here. If R is here, my E case తీసుకుంటే R is at this place. First place తీసుకున్న R. Then yes. Yes ఉంటే next మళ్ళీ ఎవరు రావాలి? T. Next one is Q. And T, V, U, W. T, V, U, W. ఇదే కదా మనకి information. Then along with this one, any other information that is invalid? V is 17 or 23. My three boxes between R and 20. R equal to 1, 2, 3. Now this T must have 20 coins. And if T have 20 coins, then between P, Q and U. Q and U and two boxes. And sum must be 35. Sum 35 into 15, 20 is ruled. మనకి ఈ రెండే ఉండాలి 1223 and 1220. Now follow here లేదా? Because Q and U must be how many? There are only two boxes. Not possible. Why it is not possible? Now S is done. And wherever we have taken R at this place, that is not possible. Hence R must get the power plus Q must get the power. సరిపోయిందా? R ఇక్కడ ఉంటాయి. R కి ముందే ఉండాలి S. S కి ముందే ఉండాలి T. P, S, R. నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఏముండాలి? Q, T, V, U, W. Q, T, V, U, and this is that. And U is 20. And S is how much? S is 20. U is 20, S is 20. Then in between P and 15. P and 15 there are exactly two boxes. 1, 2, P is 15. అవునా కదా? ఈ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ వాడి. And next one U and W we have done with this one. And S is 12 and 12 connected on 20 and 8 and 15. and 20 or 8 ఉండాలి. కనుక ఇప్పుడు R20 cannot be here, hence R is 8. ఫాలో అయ్యారా లేదా? R8 ఎందుకు చెప్పండి? 12కి 15కి మధ్యలో 20 and 8 ఉండాలి. 20 is already below this 15 and 8 must be here. 12, 18, 15, 20 were done. Then 21, 17. And what is this 21 and 17? W. And W can be either 21 or 17 something. Either 21 or 17. Then coming to this one, Q and U must be 35. Now Q is 15. If Q is 15 and U must be 20 equal item. Isn't it? Then P and T, V is either 17 or 23. P is 17 or 23 because prime number. Now difference between P and T is only 2. Difference between P and T is only 2 రావాలి. Only 2 మనకి possibilities ఏమన్నా చెప్పండి? P and T only 2 and it can be 15, 17 or 23, 20. P and T 15, 17 not possible because Q is already 15 and 23 or 25 in any order. అవునా కదా? 23 or 25 and these two will be 23, 25 in any order and 23 or 20. Last information. And P is 2 and P has more coins than P. As P is having more coins than P, P must be 25. And if P is 25, P is 20. If P is 23, P is 70. Now we have left with 2 more. ఇంకొకటే మిగిలిపోయిన number. What is the other number left over? 21. W is then అందుకే ఇది మనం ఫస్ట్ ప్రయారిటీ తీసుకోలేదు. అమ్మ మీరే అన్నారు ఇది చేద్దాం. చూడండి ఎంత డిఫికల్ట్ అయిందో. ఇన్ జనరల్ బాక్సెస్ ఎప్పుడు డిఫికల్ట్ అయింది. పాసిబిలిటీస్ అందులో ఆర్డర్ ఇవ్వలేదు. ఆర్డర్ ఇస్తుంటే యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు చెక్. ఆర్డర్ లేదు అస్సలు. ఓకే వద్దంటే లాస్ట్లో రిమైనింగ్ అన్ని ఈజీగా చేసేసారు. ఇంకో అరౌండ్ 5 minutes లెఫ్ట్ ఓవర్. దెన్ యూ కెన్ ఏబుల్ టు చెక్. ఇదే స్టార్టింగ్లో చేస్తే రిమైనింగ్ అన్నీ అయిపోతాయి. డెఫినెట్గా అయిపోతాయి. దెన్ now this is about Clerk Prelims paper number 3. Any questions? Now question number 79. And which of the following box has 8 points? Now which box is having 8 points here? And the box that is having 8 points is R points. ADS. How many boxes are there between S and Q? Now between S and Q, how many are there? There is exactly 1 choice by 80. And 81, how many rupees those boxes V and R contain? V and R is 17 plus 8 is 25 into 5, 125. 125 points. Because total number of points into 5 rupees. Each coin worth is 5 rupees. And 82, 4 are the following. S 25. And between S and 25, there are exactly 2 boxes. And V and 8. Now between V and 8, there are exactly 2 boxes. And Q and 20. Q and 20, there are exactly 2. T and 12. T and 12, there are exactly 2. W and 21, W itself is having 20. And the choice for this odd one, question number 83. Done? Now this is about SBI Clerk